and listen to what I'm telling you.
We're now going to run the entire intersection. Here's how it works. You're going to come in here. You're going to dip the bike out almost to this white line. Dip it out. As soon as you dip it to the left, you're going to look for that green cone. Keep your eyes peeled on that green cone as you come around the corner. Once you get to the green cone with the motorcycle leaning to the right, you snap your head, look over your left shoulder so you can make this U-turn. Once that U-turn is completed, you're going to look for the next green cone. If you wait till after you get past this cone to look for the green cone and turn your head, you're going to wind up going across the imaginary double yellow line. You'll hit the imaginary truck coming in. There'll be imaginary blood all over the parking lot, and I'll have to clean it up. So don't do that. You want to find that green cone before your brain tells you to. You want to find it when I tell you to. And when I'm telling you, as soon as that U-turn is completed, your head should snap over there and look for that green cone, because that's where you want to put the front tire. Any questions? Good. Let's do it. Donna's going to demonstrate it. Turns her head. The turn is completed. She looks for the next green cone. As soon as that turn is completed, she snaps her head and finds the next green cone. She doesn't wait till she passes the corner cone. And when you make this right, it should be nice and tight. You shouldn't have to go past that white line. If you go past the white line, you've gone across the double yellow line that you're going to find out on the street. All right, let's do it. This is the very first time the riders are going through the intersection. And as usual, they're going way too slow. That's very common. It's the brain saying, this is something new, go really slow. Going too slow, anything less than 5 miles an hour, there's a chance the bikes get tipped over.